And as COVID cases and hospitalizations continue to skyrocket across Alabama, Dr. Narby is beginning to people as far as to rethink everything they've heard about COVID and the Delta variant.
WDHN's Alex Valdez is live now in the newsroom after meeting with Southeast Health's chief medical officer. And Alex, I understand doctors are trying to destroy unfounded rumors and myths concerning the virus, as well as the vaccines to prevent it. Good evening.
Good evening, Mike and Amanda. At this point, the Delta variant is infecting more and more people with COVID spread, now at the highest rate than ever during this pandemic. This is causing the rules and guidelines for staying safe and being protected against the virus to change as well. The medical professional I spoke with today clears up some common myths and misconceptions about the virus. According to Dr. George Narby, since the Delta variant is as contagious as chickenpox, the CDC recommends both vaccinated and unvaccinated people in areas considered very high risk for the spread of the coronavirus to continue practicing very important guidelines.
Those people who are vaccinated and get COVID can also spread the disease, albeit for a shorter period of time and perhaps less severely than those people who are unvaccinated.
Narby says in order to defeat Delta and COVID, it's important for people here in the Wiregrass to go back to the basics, meaning masking up, practicing social distancing, and continuing proper CDC sanitizing protocols.
I think it's important that everyone take science for what it is. It's science. People should strongly consider reviewing the CDC recommendations and understand where and why those recommendations are out there.
Narby says it's important for everyone to do their own research and investigation when it comes to information about the COVID-19 virus. He says the worst scenario could be listening to wrong information that can turn deadly.
Because of how contagious the Delta variant is, the most prudent thing to do is to abide by the CDC recommendations and wear a mask if you're indoors, regardless of your vaccination status.
Dr. Narby once again wants to emphasize when it comes to the coronavirus or any of its variants, it's important for people not to believe what they've heard from their family or friends or what they've read online. He says the best source of information will come from medical professionals. This is why he encourages people to research any myths or misconceptions they hear. Mike and Amanda.